This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet the teeth for my free Amigurumi crochet pattern, Dan the Dinosaur. With white yarn, create a slip knot on your hook. Chain 4. Single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Half double crochet in the next chain. Then double crochet in the last chain. We've just created our first tooth. Without fastening off, we're going to repeat this process 4 more times for a total of 5 teeth. Chain 4. Single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Half double crochet in the next chain. Then double crochet in the last chain. Now that you have 5 teeth, we're going to chain 1 and make 3 single crochets across the top of each tooth for a total of 15 single crochets. Fasten off and secure the 2 yarn tails together. Your teeth are now ready to crochet into the head at a later step. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!